Welcome to the off-grid Lederhosen from sunny Brisbane, Austria. Today we're taking a Nissan Leaf battery, the complete battery, and taking the cells and putting them into a zero-turn mower. Not this mower here, but another one with a DC motor already fitted to it. So basically, I'll pop this camera on my head. Now I've already undone the screws from here. So apparently this is a battery pack, a used one, which can be anything from about 60 to 75%, I was told. So I've never actually fully lifted the lid up on this, so today is the first day. As you can tell. Righty-ho. So it's fairly safe to take the lid out of here. Now I have to look at pulling out individual cells. So, I'm dealing with some quite high DC voltages here. So, in anticipation of this, I have picked up a set of Powerproof from our local electrical outlet, Sparky Direct. So tested voltages, size, there we go. So look at these. I'll use these when I start handling the individual cells and start pulling apart some of the cabling, but for the meantime I'm looking at a 7-pack of cells to give me a bit over 48 volts. So I'll probably pick on this group of 8 here and build my first 7-pack, and then I'll make another 7-pack. So I've got those 2 packs paralleled, 7S 2P, and that should hopefully run the mower for possibly an hour. I haven't done the full calculations on how many kilowatts it draws. It all depend on how thick the grass is you're cutting and how fast you go. I've used some LiFo cells and they were very old, so these are the replacements. Looks like we may have had a few insects move in here, who knows. Alright, well, I'm going to pause this and I'm going to start undoing some of these cells.